17.
17.
17. Year pang year 20 na lang.
Oo.
Hala, sorry daw.
Nakaba na.
Ikaw ang kinakaba.
Papasok si Rek.
So, our People's
Yung may
Choice
mga awards, automatic na yun.
Ready daw kayo sa People's Choice
Grabe
Award?
mapasok yan.
Sige, bago muna yan.
Si Bangkusa yun daw.
Isa tan recto. Who's your bet?
Recto!
Louder! Ay, ang daming naririnig.
Quiapo! 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 Ay, wala bang Quiapo?
Wala ba Divisoria? Ay, wala si Divisoria.
Very good. Yes,
Wala si Divisoria, te.
Quiapo!
Santa Cruz.
Uy, kaya ano ka kay John Matthew kung di ka loyal.
Quiapo!
Alright. Out.
Bangkusay ba yun?
Mr.
Quiapo!
Mr. Bangkusay Tondo, Mark Louie Garriga!
Daming hako.
Here are your results. Alright,
Wala siya.
congratulations. Please step forward.
Wala. Nandiyan ba siya? Wala.
Here in the middle, sir.
Ay, daddy.
Ay, ang dami ng vote. Daming press dito at saka ang daming supporters.
Nangampan niya si daddy.
Winner no winner. Alright, congratulations. Next, we have Vloggers Choice Award.
Yung vloggers.
For Vloggers Choice Award, congratulations to
Quiapo.
Mr. Blumentritt Manila, J.M. Fernandez.
Blumentritt! Huwag ka lang.
Dito na pala. Sorry, excited naman ako. Wow, I was surprised. So, are you ready for your top 17? Yes! This, top 15? Are you ready? Yeah! Ready na ako.
50 na lang.
Let's do this in no particular order. Starting off with Mr. Taft Avenue!
Taft Avenue.
Again, what we are mentioning tonight are candidates or finalists top 15 in no particular order. All right, next up, Mr. Recto Manila! For us, you are all winners. Okay na. Okay. Our last finalist who will join the top 15 is... Sino? Sakup